Grok AI is no longer free, and to use it, you just need a subscription of $30 per month. But what if I told you there is a way to use it without paying anything at all? If you watch till the end, I will show you exactly how to unlock it, step by step. And you do not want to miss this, because one small detail can make all the difference. Most people stop at the paywall and think that is the only option, but here is where things get interesting. There is a platform called Robo Neo that gives you access in a completely different way, and almost nobody is talking about it yet. But pay close attention, because one small step can break everything and you will miss the access completely. The moment you land on the platform, the first thing you will notice is how simple the interface is. You can already see community creations, which shows how powerful this tool really is. Now, to unlock free access to Grok AI, log in with your Google account. As soon as you log in, you get 70 free credits and 20 fresh credits every single day. That alone is already insane value, but it gets even better. To start generating content, create a new project and select Workflow. You will see a sample workflow with several nodes. Do not get confused here. Highlight everything and delete it so you can start fresh. This is where most beginners get stuck, so make sure you follow this exactly. Now click on the plus icon and you will see all the features: text generation, image creation, video, and audio. Expand them and you get even more advanced options. Since we are focusing on video generation with Grok, choose image to video. Instantly, two nodes appear, one for uploading your image and one for generating the video. You can drag and rearrange them however you like, zoom in, zoom out, or fit everything to your screen. Now I am going to upload an image of a man riding a dragon. Next, select the video generation model. You will see multiple models here, and each one costs a different number of credits. But here is the crazy part. Grok AI only costs 4 credits per generation. That means with just your starting credits, you can generate multiple videos instantly. And in the next step, I will show you how to keep doing this without ever running out. Set the duration to 5 seconds for now, and the resolution to 720 for better quality. Before you hit generate, you need one more step that most people miss. Add a text node and connect it to the video generation. This is your motion prompt. Without this, your results will be basic. Type something simple like "the man is riding the dragon across floating islands," then click run. Give it a few seconds and look at the result. Smooth motion, accurate physics, cinematic quality. This is not what you expect from a free tool, and that is exactly why this method is so powerful. Now here is where it gets really interesting. If you want to keep using Grok AI for free, this is the part you need to watch carefully. Click on your profile and log out. Then try logging in again, but do not use your original email. This is important. Click on log in with another account and continue with email. Then choose register with email. Now go to a temporary email service and generate a disposable email. Paste it into Robo Neo and create a new password. Complete the quick verification by solving either a text or slide puzzle, and the code will be sent to you. Then go back to the temp inbox, copy the code, and paste it to finish registration. Just like that, you have a brand new account with fresh credits again, and you can repeat this process whenever you need more. On top of that, if you invite friends using your invite code, both of you get extra credits, which makes this even more powerful. Here are some videos generated with this new account.
Beautiful morning for a run.
It really is. Perfect.
Let's keep this pace.
You got it.
So now you understand how to use Grok AI for completely free and a trick for unlimited content. You are basically turning a paid AI tool into a free, unlimited resource if you follow these steps correctly. And tools like this do not stay like this forever. If you want more hidden AI hacks like this, make sure you like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe so you do not miss the next one.